What's up everyone, back with another Airsoft gameplay video, this time showing off my new Matrix M4. Now as far as gameplay, all the info for what I'm using is up on screen now, and more info will be available down below in the description if you so desire. And one last thing before we start, if you want to see a cut of the fun banter that happened this day that takes place between the games, after the games, and during, be sure to check out the link at the end of the video or in the description below to bring you to a separate video that's just the fun, funny content. Anyways, that all being said, enjoy.
Ready! Oh, just said. Go! Oh boy. Oh, that was a mistake. Ah.
Now we are playing with respawns. It is 2v2, but the caveat being, my little sister is playing. This is her first game of Airsoft ever, and she's only 10, so we're really trying not to shoot her. We're trying to immerse her in the game and obviously not take it too seriously against her, but, you know, we want her to have fun, and she's always wanted to play, so...
Did not even see him. Still don't.
Problem is, they have the downhill side, so I legitimately just cannot see where they're shooting me from.
Oh, Sean, he's by the stairs. Thank you. Whoa, little high. Reposition.
I know Dylan's going to be respawning soon, so I'm going to get myself out of the middle and expect to flank on the left, because that's what I would do if I were him.
I'm not really trying to hit her, just kind of trying to shoot around her, let her feel, you know, immersed in it, let her have some fun. Just don't know where Dylan is, or Sean. Don't even know where my teammate is. He's over there somewhere. Peeking through the pallet. I think Dylan's over there by that tree. Yeah, he is.
The problem I had at this angle was because of the downhill slope and how low he was to the ground and how my hop-up was adjusted. I just couldn't get the BBs to hit the right trajectory to get him that low.
Olivia, no, don't kill me. Oh shit, Sean's dead. Got Livia. Okay. Are you okay, Liv? Did it hurt? All right, good. Hit! Got me in the head. Got me in the head. Oh, fuck. Oh. Yeah, we can. All right, Sean, regroup. Ray, go. By the big pallet, Sean, just so you know when you get here. Sean, they went behind the really big laying down pallet. Woo! I ricochet myself.
For some reason, at this point and a couple of other times in the game, the semi-auto decided to lock up, so that's something I have to take a look at.
Gun jam. Woo! That was a damn good shot. That was so clean. All right, Liv, you got this. Holy shit, that's fucking terrifying. You're aiming too high, Liv, you're hitting the trees. Keep the tree between us. I think Dylan respawned. All of a sudden, getting lit the fuck up. Oh, I see Dylan, he's moving up to the fallen stump. Let's just casually walk this way. No need to exhaust myself. No need to exert that energy. If I don't act frantic, they don't see me. See? Easy. Oh. I saw him. I don't know if he saw me though. Got Livy. Sorry, Olivia. I love you.
Oh, Chris, their goggles keep fogging up really bad. Yeah, Liv, try to
Train simulator, bitch. Watch the train go. Yo, I pull up to the station. Ah! Yo, I pull up to the station. Ah! Dude, I stepped on the rotted log and I fell through it. Help! I hurt my fingernail. Dude, look at that fucking thing. What? That was not like that a couple months ago. I don't need help. I just want you to help me. I just want you to hold my hand. Oh, fuck. Maybe I did.
Yeah, I think you did.
Dude, look at this shit. Are you kidding me? Fell straight through it. I'm glad I got that on camera. Sean, what are you doing? Why are you holding the gun at the neck?
Well, because I have no shot. I gotta see if I can see.
Yeah, gun down at the ready so you...
Yeah.
Gun down at the ready, because then you have to flip it. Oh, I see him. I see your dumb little head. Oh, I'm pinned.
Guys, I'm blown away. Check out this double ricochet kill. Here it is again so you guys can track the BB without the red dot.
Yeah. Yo, she's fucking scary. Ah! Ah! I think I got hit. Yeah, I think it hit me in the hand. Good shot. Put down enough bullets down range, you're about to hit something. Hey, who remembers this tree? Haven't been here for a while.
After respawning, I'm trying to sneak my way around the right side of the map so I can hopefully get a sneaky kill on someone.
Oh man, boots wet. Right in the swamp shit. Shit. That didn't work. Huh? I don't think so. Okay. All right, I'll take it if you think you hit me. I'll take it. It might have, but sometimes inside the helmet it's hard to hear.
We'll finish off Sean real quick.
Oh, okay. Let me get out of here.
Move, because you weren't sure if it was you or Sean over there.
Oh, hey.
Hey, Sean.
Crossing.
Hey, Sean. Hey, buddy.
Sean, take this.
Sean, where the fuck you are?
Hey.
I thought you hit him.
Nope. Oops. I dropped this. Dang it. How unfortunate. Sean, grab the gun. Use it. It's on semi-auto. I mean, dead men can't talk.
Come on, what? No? Ah, got me.
Yes, bring it back to me. I will not stand. I will not stand. I'm tired. Thank you. Oh my god, it feels so heavy.
As you can see, for part of this round, my head cam got knocked upwards towards the sky. I do fix it at some point, but we're gonna have to stick to just the selfie cam for most of this round.
Just take it slow and steady. You try to always stay behind some cover. Ooh, okay, I thought you fucking died. Whew. Can I hear the face? Okay. So. Huh? I know. It's tiring walking through the woods. So Dylan is over on this side, behind some of the cover. I don't know if he's pushing back or if he's staying in the middle. Yeah.
That was so tiring. I started making noise.
I know. It's hard. All right, do you want to keep this side covered? Because you could peek really low through here. Sean's going to be respawning, so I'm going to go to the left to keep him controlled. I think Dylan's straight over this way. I don't know exactly where though, okay? But I'm going to go over on this side a little bit, all right?
Where?
I'm going to go over here a little bit, okay? You got this.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Kill Dylan. To the left by the big trees. Just be careful, go slow. Just see that big boulder over there? You don't know? Then do you want to come over here to me? Careful, get low, get low, get low. Dylan's to the right. Watch Sean, he might be on the left. Oh, hit! Damn it, got me in the leg. Yeah, it got me in the leg. Don't shoot me. Oh man, that was quite the reload. Come on, Dylan, you just gonna camp? Pussy. So you're just gonna camp? You guys are cowards. What? Yeah? I don't think I did. I'm pretty sure I missed, but it could have ricocheted.
I think you may have ricocheted.
Alright, we call if you want.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Yeah, I just here, but it felt like something hit.
So I'm pretty sure I shot like 2 feet to your left because I was on my tippy toes. Either way.
And that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It means a lot to me and it would help the channel grow. If you want to be kept up to date whenever I upload videos, make sure you hit that notification bell. Check out my website, lincolnslegion.com, and all my other social handles down in the description below. And also give a huge shout out to Olivia for playing her first game of Airsoft ever at 10 years old, and she even killed me her first game. So, bravo, congratulations. Thanks guys again for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. And action. Jake, stick your penis in his butt. We're gonna make money. Jake, where were you on the night of tonight? Put your fucking hands in the air. Put your fucking hands in the air. Bang, 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 bang. He was reaching. He was reaching.